Here's an easy way to make candy canes this Christmas. Start by plugging in your PVC Bend-It. These can be found online, link below. Then cut your pipe to 40 inches using a chop saw. Next, you'll want to put couplings on the end of your pipe so that you don't burn or melt your PVC pipe. Slide your snake into the pipe and let it cook. When it's done, which is going to take about 8 minutes to warm it up, it'll be nice and soft, and you can find a round object to kind of use as a mold to wrap your pipe around. Once you find a good curve, you can remove the round object, press on the curved part because it'll want to crimp a little bit, so you'll want to round that back out and let it dry. You can also build an easy base for this with 5-ways and short pieces of pipe and caps. Wrap your candy cane with red duct tape, and once you finish all these steps, you'll have a nice, clean looking candy cane for this Christmas season. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget you can purchase any of our items at www.circoinnovations.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe.